Today, we are conducting physical examination for the athletes going to SIRAM, no? And then Dr. Eric forwarded a message to be here on your training, no? So, I'm not expecting this. Ang dami palang participants, but anyways, we are very thankful in the Provincial Health Office that we were given a chance to be with you today, no? Giving some words of encouragement, particularly for the frontline BHW in the community. Actually, sa inyo salalay, no? Isa ka mo sa mga pundasyon sa ato health program because you are the first encounter sa inyo tanan magsugod katong mga observation, no? You are the health education promotion officer, you are the disaster risk reduction management officer, you are the surveillance officer, you are the nutrition officer. Ibig sabihin, all those programs laging kasama ang PHW. Maternal and child health, non-communicable programs, communicable programs, special programs, ang laging kasama ni MHO, ni PHN, ni midwife is the BHW. And seeing you today, parang buong Municipality of Tago, no, and I'm hearing ma'am kanina, no, listening communication, which is one of the most important tool, no, in our program, in